we're going to go towards you.
Hey, Kalik, what are we doing today?
I'm doing a science project.
Cool. What is this science project called?
It's got the tomato jar.
Tornado in a jar? Cool.
Tomato in the jar.
What are the things that we need?
We need this soap, water, jar, and the wing.
Cool. Okay. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is to pour. You have is this 2 cups of water?
Yeah.
Okay. So we just have to pour the water into the jar.
All right, Kalik, let's get ready to shake it up.
That was cool, huh, Kalik? Yeah?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
We sure can. Well, we're going to say goodbye for now, okay?
Okay. Comment